beloved, and welcome back to the channel. Yeah, I just got out of Walmart. Got me some meat lovers breakfast there. A zucchini blend. Some stuffed mushrooms. I already put that in the bowl though. And what I got here? I also wanted some like onions and red peppers, so I got this. I put it all in here. See, the mushrooms, the red peppers, the onions, I put it all in there. That's where they at. I'm gonna take it down the racetrack and make it do what it do. Hey guys, so you know, I got these Spanx and they're riding up. I don't have any money to send them back. This is ridiculous. What do I do? I thought they said no ride up, none of that stuff, but it's riding up. I got the proper size. Medium, 8'10", if you know. I wear a size 10. Things still riding up. All right, I'm about to head down the racetrack and heat up my food. I really don't feel like doing all that, but I gotta eat. Miss the feeding center, so gotta make it work. Sky looks like it's very threatening, like it wants to rain. Anyway, I'm hungry. Down the racetrack, heat this food up, and then off to the library. I hope y'all have a great, blessed day. I'll talk to you guys later. Ciao. Yeah, these Spanx are like riding up my butt. I'm telling you, I don't like that. I don't like that. I don't appreciate that. It said it will not ride up, but it's riding up. I don't like it. You know, when you start walking, it starts riding up. I don't like that. I don't like it at all. I was going to eat at racetrack, but there's a troublemaker there. She's always drunk, and she's just... My phone keeps cutting off. I don't know why. Yeah, but she's a troublemaker. She's a troublemaking drunk, you know? And I ain't got time to deal with her. Yeah, I was going to sit there and eat, but I don't want to eat there. I'm at the bus stop waiting for the bus, and I don't want to eat at this nasty bus stop either. People be taking dumps right here at the bus stop. You know, you can't even sit down and stuff. Just so nasty. I mean, when you out on the streets, I don't know. People, it's mental too, but I don't know. I don't want to try to get like. I don't want to be like that. I don't. I got to keep myself groomed and looking fresh the best way I can. The best way I can. God, thank you. Yeah. But this sky is off and on. First it's gray, now it's pretty blue again. But yeah, I'm gonna wait for this bus, take it to the library. First, wait for this bus, I gotta catch another bus. And yeah, I was gonna eat my food. I needed some cheese. I love cheese, I'm a cheeseaholic. But the food stamps are low, child. Well, my food, I guess I'll show you my food when I get to the library, how it look like. It's basically what my microwave food, lady out on the streets, or lady on the streets, microwave food. That's not a good thing. You're not supposed to eat microwave food all the time, every day. But hey, God bless us. We still healthy, still strong. You gotta do what you gotta do. You do. How's y'all day going? It is Friday. Happy Friday. Y'all going out to the club? Y'all want to be bad? All right, I'm going to talk to you guys later. I'm hungry, but I want a clean place to eat, you know? So, I'll see if the tables are free at the library where I can sit down and have a meal. I'm mad, man. I spent $33 on those Spanx. $33. I'm mad. The way they was raving about it when they first came out. Oh, it's so good. Oh, this product's so good. It really don't feel any different from what I got from Walmart. Okay? Half the price at Walmart. It don't feel any different. Well, I'm gonna keep them because I tore the tag off. I cut the inside tag, so that's okay. Lesson learned. I'm not going to order Spanx anymore. I'm just not going to do it because I don't appreciate it. It's riding up, and my bus is coming, which is great. All right. Okay, I'm at the second bus stop now, waiting for the second bus. So I'm just gonna read my book on my phone. I have a, what is it called? It's through the library. I forgot what it's called. Libby. I have Libby. So I'm gonna read one of my beach books while I wait for the bus. I took a peek at my food. Oh, it smells so good. It smells really good. I can't wait to taste it. I'm so hungry. Yeah. Okay. I'll talk to y'all later. Okay, I'm back. I thought I was going to go inside and get a table, but I don't even feel like going inside and get a table. Oh, this thing is hot. Oh, it's a lot of liquid. I knew that was going to happen. I'm going to drain some out. Liquid from the mushrooms, the veggies. Yeah, I don't want it to be too liquidy. Don't want that. This is how it looks. I wish I had my cheese on it though. But that's it. Yellow and green squash. I put a whole bunch of crap in here. Red peppers, green peppers, the egg thing with potatoes, the stuffed mushrooms, the onions. Stir it up. It'll look good though. Yeah, taste. Yum yum. Oh wow. Mm. Girl, y'all did yourself microwaving this time, didn't you? Dang. That's all I can say. Look at that, huh? Yeah. Child. Yeah. I may not have a grill or a burner, but I can make some combinations of food in a microwave, child. Yeah, I made me a not recently, but maybe like when I was in New Jersey. I made I don't know, you can call it a quiche. I made a quiche in a microwave. That junk came out so good. So cheesy. I didn't even get the peppers and the onion. I'm gonna pepper and onion. Oh my goodness. Still too much juice for me. Let me see. Get off my leg, Buck. Hey. Bugs are freaking annoying, aren't they? Huh? Flies and junk. Oh, so good. I can cook. I wish I could microwave me some lamb chops. Popsicle lamb chops. Or a T-bone steak. But that won't be the same. No, child, it won't. That will not be the same. I don't want no rubber meat. Child, this is good. Look at that. Mm. Mm. I didn't even get my drink out. Got my vitamin water. Triple X. I didn't get that out. Look at that. What we got? The onion, the peppers, the egg, the bacon, zucchini. It's good, child. Hot too still. Mm. Mm. About 1:30. I'm at the library. Go upstairs. Yeah, the other library was nice, but it's trouble getting there. They ain't had no DVD hookup. They didn't have. You couldn't connect your phone. Oh. I guess you gotta put limits on students. Here's a mushroom. Over there. Stuffed mushroom, garlic and cheese. Ooh. Oh, it's hot. It's hot. Oh. Oh. It's hot, y'all. That's what you get for your greedy self. Oh, this is good, y'all. Come to my house and dine with me. Shine with me. Dine with me. If I had a house. It's good, y'all. You ain't never lied. You ain't never lied. Ooh, it's spicy too. I put some of the crushed red pepper flakes in there. Taste the spice of life of Nikki. Of Nikki. Chow, chow, chow. Oh yeah. Mainly vegetables. And need some. I ain't gonna finish this all, I know that much. It's a lot. Still got like half a bowl left. I'm gonna put some noodles with this. Like I'm gonna buy some Michelina spicy pasta and put it with this for dinner. Yeah, that's gonna be the bomb. I love fine dining. I do. I have an upscale palate. Is that how you say it? I'm not sure. No. I love good food. Who doesn't? I wish I could eat my way around the world. I really do. Okay, y'all. It was nice eating with y'all again. Stop it. Thank you. I know the food was good. Thank you. Stop it. But I'm gonna fix my snackies and head on inside. Quite humid out here. Say it with me. Mm-hmm. You know what I'm talking about. Mm-hmm. Yeah. That's that Nikki. Mm-hmm. That's what Nikki do. Shoot. Because I ain't got no pot to cook in. Or I wanted to throw it out. Don't mean I can't get down in the microwave. Shoot. Just point me to some good food that I can microwave. I'm going to put a combination together that will melt your heart. That will make you stop and go, heck yeah. I can still cook. I can microwave my butt off. I can still throw down. That junk was good, y'all. I'm trying to tell you. You don't know. That was real good. Spicy too. I love spice. Spice of life, baby. Thank y'all for tuning back in. Ain't too much to show you, but we can talk about it. But right now, I'm gonna pick my snackies. I'm gonna head on upstairs because I'm kind of hot and humid out here. Love y'all. Guess what? God loves y'all even more. Stay blessed. Talk to you soon. Bye.